sklearn, metrics, pairwise, cosine distances. Description. The cosine distance between two vectors is a measure of the angle between them. It is a value between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates that the vectors are identical and 1 indicates that the vectors are orthogonal. Perpendicular. Cosine distance is often used in text analysis to measure the similarity between documents or words. It is also used in other applications such as image recognition and recommendation systems. Inputs. X a 2D array of shape n samples 1. N features representing the first set of vectors. Y a 2D array of shape n samples 2. N features representing the second set of vectors. Outputs. Distances a 2D array of shape n samples 1. N samples 2 containing the pairwise cosine distances between the vectors in X and Y. Steps. For each pair of vectors X, Y in X and Y, the cosine distance is calculated as 1x, yxy. Metrics. Cosine distance. The cosine distance between two vectors is a measure of the angle between them. Visualization plots. Heat map. A heat map can be used to visualize the pairwise cosine distances between a set of vectors. Scatter plot. A scatter plot can be used to visualize the relationship between two vectors, where the x-axis represents the cosine distance and the y-axis represents another feature. Fine-tune parameters. None. Uncertainty methods. None. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. The cosine distance can be sensitive to the scale of the vectors. If the vectors have different scales, the cosine distance may not accurately reflect the similarity between the vectors. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. When comparing two sets of vectors with different scales, the cosine distance may not accurately reflect their similarity. For example, if one set of vectors has values in the range of 0 to 1, while the other set of vectors has values in the range of 0 to 100, the cosine distance may be biased towards the vectors with larger values. Fixes to challenge 1. Normalize the vectors before calculating the cosine distance. This can be done using methods such as min-max scaling or standardization. Challenge 2. The cosine distance can be sensitive to outliers. If the vectors contain outliers, the cosine distance may be biased towards the outliers. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. When comparing two sets of vectors that contain outliers, the cosine distance may not accurately reflect their similarity. For example, if one set of vectors contains an outlier with a very large value, the cosine distance may be dominated by this outlier. Fixes to challenge 2. Remove or cap outliers before calculating the cosine distance. This can be done using methods such as z-score normalization or Winsorization.